Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Most of us use Windows 10 machines, right? But without knowing how can you keep it safe and secure. From the Windows 10, I would say that Microsoft has actually put a lot of effort to make sure that the operating system is secure from most of the threats in the market. So today in this video, we're talking about how can you easily protect your computer at home, which is running on Windows 10. One is to keep your Windows 10 updated with the latest patches released by Microsoft, and the second one is keeping your Windows security components up to date. So when I say Windows security component, it contains multiple components that can easily replace any antivirus solution that you're using, which means you're getting a complete antivirus components part of Windows 10 operating system. Now let us see the first section, Windows updates. In this section of the video, we are focusing more on Windows updates. When I say Windows updates, we will complete the Windows update in two stages. One is updating the build version of Windows to the latest available, and also applying the patches once the build is updated. There's something called Windows Update Assistant from Microsoft. So you can go download Windows Update Assistant, and it will download a very small file, and let's install it. Now, one of the best feature of Windows 10 is that it keeps getting better every update. This PC is not currently running the latest update, and so PC is running 1909 and the latest version is 2004. Just click on update now. This will verify the basic stuff, and then it will start downloading the update package. Again, as it is very clearly mentioning, this will take time. You can keep working, so you don't need to wait for this. You don't have to keep this window all the time open. You can click minimize, it will go back here, and it will keep running the software. It will keep running the update at the background. The update is in progress, 33% now. The download process can usually take longer, depends on your internet speed. Okay, now we have taken a reboot after the update, post the new build that we plan to upgrade, which we just finished, and the machine has been rebooted. So let's again check what is the current status. There is a Windows Update assistant here. Just let's open it, and it clearly says that thank you for updating to the latest version of Windows 10. So how do we know what is the current version? Like we have done earlier, let's open the command again. Now you can very clearly say that the build version is updated to the latest. So now we haven't finished updating the Windows, we only finished raising the Windows 10 to the latest available build. Now once this is finished, what you can do, you can go to Windows Update again and verify if there is any pending updates available, and uncheck if there is any available updates. In usual scenario, you have a small button there itself called check updates if it is a home machine. If it is not a machine which is part of any corporate network, it will be available as check updates. Now we can see it here. Now check updates. So usually you will see it. If you are not able to see it, you can also go for the second option. So check update. This will complete the Windows update process. That is nothing but the step 1 in securing your Windows machine. Now you can very clearly say that it is checked just a while ago and there is no more update. It is very perfect. There is nothing that are pending to be updated. In the second section, we will talk more about Windows security of Windows 10 machine. We are focusing main 3 components of Windows security. One is virus and threat protection, and the second one is firewall and network protection, and the third one is app and browser control. Or I will speak about these 3 components during the next part of the video. Microsoft is investing a lot of effort in making the Windows 10 secure for the end user usage. So the Windows security component contains the antivirus of it, anti-malware protection on it, and it has got the network protection and the firewall protection. You also have something called browser and app protection in it. So with all these components together, it completes of an antivirus protection. So when I say antivirus protection, we always invest on antivirus protection from different well-known vendors. We think a lot, and we will at times come to a conclusion that no, I don't have money to invest on. You also restrict the usage of Windows machines to the internet usage, thinking that you are not secure or your machines are not secure to keep up with the security issues in the internet world. But you are completely wrong, because Windows 10 comes with a very strong protection built into it, that's called Windows security. So let's see what all components are available in Windows security. So how can you go or navigate straight into Windows security? Go to System Tray. You have something called Windows security icon in it. You can click on it. This is an option to get here. And if the icon is not there for the Windows security, you can go here and go settings, and you also have update and security there, and you can go to the Windows security button right from here as well. It will also show the components part of the Windows 10 security. And another easy way is just type security here by clicking on the start button, and you will also get a Windows security option, and you can click on it and you can open there and reach to the same page where we are reaching from multiple different ways to reach here. So 3 components that we are keeping an eye today is virus and threat protection, firewall and network protection, and app and browser control. Virus and threat protection is the basic anti virus protection for your machine. Firewall and network protection, like for example, if some application is trying to access your machine through some, it is a little in-depth discussion, and probably I will come with another video to explain what is firewall and network protection if there's a necessity, as I see the comments after this video. And the app and browser control is also a very important component of Windows security. What it does is actually safeguard you from installing malware applications and accessing a website which contains malware or non-secure content in it. So this is basically an internet security. So what you need to make sure, or what you need to keep an eye, is like ensure that these components are in good standing. When I say good standing, ensure that they have the green tick mark enabled. If there is any warnings, which means it is not able to update properly, you will see some kind of a warning out here. So open it and go and fix those issues. In case if you are unable to fix some of the issues, please write me as a comments. I will try to help you out to fix this. So today we have seen 2 areas or 2 basic things that you can keep an eye on to ensure that you stay protected with the Windows 10. The first one, the section 1, we've discussed about Windows 10 patches and updates, or I would say like the build version. It is to the latest build version. The second part of the video, we spoke about Windows security and the components that is part of Windows security. So if you can make sure that these 2 components are well monitored by yourself, and as you have seen that it is not that complicated to make to ensure that these 2 components are up to date. So if you can make sure that these 2 components are up to date, to an extent you are protected from most of the threats in the internet world. I hope the video was informative and you enjoyed watching it, and it adds some value for you in your life in terms of securing your Windows 10 machines. If then, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the new videos from me.